In last video, we have discussed class 9 term 1 question paper biology section A. In this video, we are going to discuss about section B. So let's go into the video. The section B consists of 20 marks. We have to attempt 2 questions from following 3 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. So let's discuss all answers of all 3 questions. So by now let's go into the video. Question number 2. 10 marks. A bit. Observe the following diagram and answer the following questions. It consists of 5 marks. So question number 1, it consists of 3 marks. Identify A, B and C. The answer is A is stated, B is unstated and C is cardiac muscles. Number 2, it consists of 1 mark. Distinguish between A and C. That is stated and cardiac muscles. Stated muscles are under control of our will, whereas cardiac muscles are involuntary in function. Third question, mention the location of B. That is unstated muscles. It consists of 1 mark. Unstated muscles are found in the walls of the internal organs such as intestine, helping in passage of fluid and blood vessels, etc. Example excluding the heart. B bit. Give suitable terms for the following. It consists of 5 marks. Question number 1. Plastids which impact green color to leaves. The answer is chloroplast. It is a type of plastid which produces green color pigment called as chlorophyll. Number 2. Flower which contains all 4 holes of floral structures. The answer is tetramerous. Question number 3. Protective tissue with flat, cuboidal or columnar cells in animals. The answer is epithelial tissue. This tissue consists of cells that are flat and forming a protective layer. Question number 4. Transfer of pollen grains from anthers of flower of one plant to stigma of different flower of another plant of same species. The answer is pollination. Fifth question. Seeds which have a peristant endosperm. The answer is castor bean. Question number 3. A bit. It consists of 5 marks. Draw a neat diagram of a plant cell and label the following. Number 1. Cell wall. Number 2. Chloroplast. Number 3. Vacuole. And number 4. Nucleus. Here is the plant cell diagram on the screen. The cell wall is located down of right side. The chloroplast is located beside the cell wall. The vacuole is located upper of the cell wall, that is top. The nucleus is located at top of right side. B bit. Mention the 3 postulates of cell theory. The answer. The cell theory states 3 major points. That is, number 1. The cell is smallest unit of structure of all living things. Number 2. The cell is the unit of function of all living things. Number 3. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. C bit. Define the following. Number 1. Dormancy. Number 2. Fertilization. Number 1. Dormancy. A dormancy is can be defined as a state or condition in which seeds are prevented from germinating under favorable environment condition. Germination including temperature, water, etc. Second one, fertilization. A fertilization is a union or fusion of nuclei of male and female gametes. Question number 4. Consists of 10 marks. A bit. It consists of 5 marks. Study the following diagram and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the part of seed that provides nutrition for growing embryo. The answer is cotyledon. Second question. What type of germination does this seed exhibit? This seed exhibits the germination of bean seed. Mention the outer layer of seed coat. The outer layer of seed coat is known as testa. Question number 4. Name the part of embryo that develops into shoot. The part of embryo that develops into shoot is plumule. Fifth question. What is a whitish overall scar seen on concave side of the seed? The answer is hilum. B bit. It consists of 5 marks. Write one point of difference between the following. Number 1. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The answer is The prokaryotic cells has small ribosomes, whereas the eukaryotic cells has large ribosomes. Question number 2. Ligament and tendon. A tendon attaches muscle to bone, whereas a ligament attaches bone to bone. Third question. Difference between self and cross pollination. Self pollination, that is, external agency is not required for it, whereas cross pollination, external agency is always required, that is wind, water and insect. Fourth one. Difference between xylem and phloem. Xylem, this tissue contains xylem vessels and tracheates, whereas phloem, this tissue contains phloem vessels and companion cells. Fifth one. Animalous flower and entamellous flowers. Animalous flower, wind pollinated flowers, whereas entamellous flowers, insect pollinated flowers. So thereby we completed this question paper.